Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria Gibson and today I am doing another video on how we are trying to save our edges in 2019. We're trying to grow back our edges and we're doing every and anything possible to keep pressure and tension off of our scalp in the front.
It's young to the beginners. You tripping, man. You friend. You rocking meekness hair. I feel.
So today I want to introduce a product that I have been using for the past 3 years under my wig. I put this under my wig because there are times where I didn't want to put combs in my wigs just because I was afraid it was going to pull on my hair. And there are times where I just didn't want to put bands in the back of my wig because I felt like it was giving me a lot of headache and just putting a lot of tension on my neck in the back, and I just didn't like it. And so I wanted to try something that would release pressure on just that band from, like, you know, the inside of the wig has that band. I just didn't want it on my scalp. I just knew it wasn't good for my hair, and then I just wanted to find something that could prevent any breakage on my edges. So for the past 3 years I've been using these bands. If you've ordered wigs from me, I have sent some free gifts out with wig orders. I've sent some of these bands out in some of the wigs that people purchase from me, wigs that I make myself. So if you're interested in this product, you can definitely find it on my Instagram page, and it's at Meekness Beauty Hair. We have these on there, so you can definitely order yours from on our Instagram page. These are incredible. When I first started selling these bands, I did a demo video for my friends. It was so funny because I threw my wig on, right? I threw my wig on and I shook my head really fast and my wig fell off. And then I did another video where I had this band under my hair and I shook my hair really fast and I pulled and my wig didn't fall off. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate how this works. Right now I'm wearing a lace closure on this wig that I made many years ago. This is one of my first, oh my gosh, this is my baby. This is my, today's your wedding. Okay, I'm throwing this wig on. Just grabbed it out of the box just now and I tried putting some big curls in there just so it doesn't look all flat and ugly.
It's young to the beginners.
Right now I have nothing under this wig, okay? And if I pull, you see this wig will pull wherever I pull. If I pull back, it starts to pull back. But with this under my wig, it's no slipping, okay? It's not going anywhere. So I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna come back and demonstrate this and you'll see the difference. So this is what the band looks like under my wig. This is what's gonna happen. I'm gonna take my wig and throw it on the top of my hair and you get to see the difference. Again, as you can see, I don't have this band on directly like on my edges because I don't want any pressure on my edge. Therefore, when I place my wig on, it's not gonna go on my edge. It's gonna go on the band off of my edges. Excuse my nail polish. So it's gonna go back on the band and not on my edges, okay? This is phenomenal. It keeps my wig so snug. I mean, I feel like with this, I might as well just have a sew-in because my wig is going nowhere. Nowhere. It's going nowhere. It's going absolutely nowhere. I mean, earlier when I was trying to curl the hair, it was slipping and moving back and forth, but with this on, and this hair is going nowhere. It's here to stay. It's like I have a sew-in. Feels snug. So right now I have the black one under my wig. It comes in 3 different colors. We have the brown ones and a tan looking one, and the black one is what I have under here. So I did want to mention this because I want everyone to be on the same page about these bands, okay? So these bands, what I have noticed is that they don't work as great under wigs without lace. So if you have one of those synthetic wigs that has no lace in it, like maybe say a wig that looks like this, it doesn't usually work all the time. What it would do is it would just have it be so snug on the edges that it's harder to pull. But if you were to pull on it it will shift a little bit, because on the lace wig, the reason why it stays on the lace wig is because the fur on these bands gets stuck in the lace and causes it to stay in place. But on the synthetic wig, you don't have that lace in there, so it doesn't stick. It slips sometimes. But what this will do is, on the edges of this, it will cause it to be snug. It may slip in the back a little bit, but it still helps rather than not having it on at all. Right now, I'm wearing a synthetic wig. And I actually just took the comb out of that wig because, like I said, I don't like combs in my wigs because I feel like they break up my edges. And I have the black band under this wig, okay? So it's not moving. It has no comb in there, but it's not moving. Now, if I was to pull harder, look, it comes off. But it takes a harder pull for it to come off. But just pulling it, like if someone was to give me a hug, I'm going to be fine. If someone's going to, you know, just pull me a little bit, it's going to be fine. Like if someone plays with my hair, it's fine. Fine for a wig that has no comb in it. So I think that's great. However, it doesn't hold as well as it would on a lace frontal or lace closure wig. But does it hurt to have it? No. Because again, it's still kind of keeping your edges protected. So all in all, I think it's a great investment. Just wanted to throw that in there just in case someone buys it and says, well, it didn't work for my wig. Just want you to know it works better if it's a lace wig. Lace closure, lace frontal kind of a wig. It could be synthetic. It can be human hair. It just has to be lace. It works way better with a lace hair, with a lace wig. Now, like I said, it still works if your wig is not a lace wig. It still does a great job of keeping your wig in place, keeping it snug, and again, protecting your edges. So all in all, it's a win. If you want one, just like I said, check us out on Instagram at Meekness Beauty Hair, and you can order you one of these. And my mom has one, but my mom doesn't wear wigs anymore, so she has one. She puts them under her hair wrap, like, you know, when she ties her head ties. For my Liberian people, when she tie her hair tie, she puts this on her head, and then she ties the head tie, and the head tie stays on her head forever, ever, ain't going nowhere, ain't moving. I'll put this under my silk scarf at night before I go to bed, and it stays on all night. Or else when I wake up, I have nothing on my head. Put this under there before I go to bed, and I tie my head, it stays on all night. So I think this is a great investment. Like I said, sometimes I will send them out as a gift when people order hair from me. So if you've got one that, you know, if I send one out to you, definitely leave a comment. Let me know if it's been useful. If you want one in your next wig, just let me know. I will send you one, give you like a nice discount on it, or depending on your order, I'll throw one in for free. But yeah, so this is what I wanted to share today. Again, we're still saving our edges, so keep on saving your edges. I just took out the tracks that I had, and I took them out today because I really wanted to make this video. 1, 2, it's been raining, it's been snowing, so my own natural hair has been frizzing, and the hair is looking great. My natural hair is frizzing, and I really don't want to keep putting heat on my hair, so I took it out today. Maybe I'm going to do some braids, or I'm going to do a full sew-in. I'm not sure yet, but whatever I'll do, I'll be sure not to put any pressure or tension on my edges. Is it coming in? Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. But thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next video.